Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the presentation mode in Explaindio 4.0. So I've got an Explaindio project open here with 3 short scenes. The presentation mode is essentially a preview mode that allows you to present your video project like you would a PowerPoint presentation. Under Settings, you'll notice these default presentation mode shortcuts. You can use the spacebar to advance to the next slide. You use the backspace to go to the previous slide, and use the S key to pause or resume the slide. So let me close this dialog box, and if I click on Presentation, you'll notice that the first scene will play, and then once it's done, it will stop, like so. Now I can press the spacebar to advance to the next slide, and I can press the S key to pause the slide, like so. If I press the S key again, it'll resume play and then stop once the slide is complete, like so. I can click backspace if I wanted to go back to the previous slide and play it again, like so. But that's pretty much how it works. I'll see you in the next video.